it's already Thursday, but I'm only starting the vlog now, basically. Yeah, just been kind of putting too much on my plate, I think. But there's a lot I want to get done. So because I'm doing the 6 months alphabet superset challenge, and then also doing the daily art challenge in October, and working full-time, YouTube, everything. So it kind of adds up. Yeah, so, and October just started, so we'll see how I feel at the end of October. That's gonna be interesting. But so anyways, last weekend and up until today felt like Indian summer, like it's like the temperatures went up. But I think today is the last day. It's supposed to cool down a lot more tomorrow. So I got off of work maybe half hour ago, and I thought I would come to this park and probably go down to the lake, ground my energy. I think in moments like that, when I have so much going on, I do try to take some time for self-care, whether I do meditate on a regular basis, but spending more time in nature. So if you watched last week's video, I was talking about being a highly sensitive person and how all the stimuli of life can get very overwhelming very quickly. And so I'm very conscious of kind of my limits, and if I get really overwhelmed, I do my best to rest, or at least, even if it's not that long, like I'm probably gonna go down to the lake for like a half hour and then come home and go back to drawing and doing all that stuff. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'll take you down to the lake with me, show you how the view is. It's been pretty windy, so it looks like the ocean, which I really love. And yeah. Coming to the lake is one of my favorite ways to relax after a long day at work, if I can, weather permitting. I do come in the winter too, because just the sound of the waves is so relaxing. And then in the summer and fall, and sometimes in the spring, just putting your feet in the sand, it's so grounding, and that's really healthy actually for your body, for your energy. And today is perfect because there's very few people on the beach, just a bunch of seagulls, which they're super fun to watch, and I can really enjoy the waves, the sound of the waves. And yeah, I think last week's video on being highly sensitive was well received. Thank you so much for the comments and for sharing, who shared that they were also highly sensitive. And it's something that, like I said, is very close to my heart and something I want to address more. So I think maybe I'll talk about it more in my future vlogs, and maybe do future, more specifically HSP videos. I don't know, we'll see. But it's definitely something that I want to talk about more and share with you more, because it's, like I said, it's a huge part of who I am and something I want to express more in my art. But in the meantime, I'm gonna enjoy this a little bit more and then go home and get more drawing. Thank you so much for watching this cozy video and spending some time with me today. I do appreciate it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye!